Well, hello everybody. Just wanted to show you the winds in Palm Desert. I'm pretty sure it gets much windier than this too. Wow! No wonder this is a prime spot, dude. Oh, it feels so good too. Ah, this wind is violent. Here, let me roll up the window. I'll show you the car vibrating. Okay, I'll let you guys listen to the car vibrating. It's almost picking up the car. Here, I'll turn the flashers off. Listen to this. Oh shit, those things are starting to spin faster now. Wow. Here it comes. Look at that. Look, it's actually picking up the car. I'm not even joking, it's kind of picking up the car. It's not strong enough to pick up the car, but it's pushing on it. Wow. It's like that little hurricane. Oh, I would love to live out here if I could play with this every day. Oh my goodness gracious. Now I just gotta go 200 more miles. Yay, yay! Wow. I absolutely fucking love it right here. Look how strong that is. Look, it is literally picking up the vehicle. You can't really see it, but it really is picking up the vehicle on some of these gusts. Oh, here comes a big one. Here comes another one. Wait for it. It's coming, it's coming. Now this is amazing. If only we could have this more often. That's a lot of wind. Wow. I wish I could see it during the highest wind event. Bet you those things are spinning so fast. The ones on top over there are really spinning. So, oh my god. I can only imagine how strong it is right up there. It's funneling. It's like a funnel effect. I see the 10 freeway. So it's calming down a little bit now. Calming down a little bit. Maybe not. Roll up the window, roll up the window to stop shaking so much. There. I have so much fun doing this. I'm gonna roll up this window. I wish I could be here during the windiest event in Palm Desert when it's so windy. God, I would love to be here during that event. But it's so far away from LA. We don't get wind like this in Los Angeles. Nope. Well, I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching.